الله الرحمن الرحيم
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي رب زدني علما. I am Dr. Qasim. I am a senior manager in new products, and along with me is Dr. Saad. Today we will discuss the Rigix tablet pocket info. The composition is Cetirizine tablet 10 mg pack of 30s. The therapeutic classes belong to anti-allergy. It's a second generation antihistamine. Antihistamine second generation are less able to cross the blood-brain barrier and therefore have diminished effects on central nervous system compared to first generation drugs. The mode of action: Rigix is a selective H1 receptor antagonist. It binds with the H1 receptor and do not binds with alpha-adrenergic, cholinergic, and serotonin receptors. As a result, Rigix produce only antihistamine effects and no anti-allergic and no anti-adrenergic or anti-serotonin effects. Since second generation antihistamine are less lipophilic and are not able to enter the brain, thus Rigix shows minimal CNS effects. H1 receptor antagonists constrict the capillaries, vasoconstriction, preventing capillaries permeability and relax the smooth muscles. Half-life is 8.3 hours. Half-life is the time required for half of the quantity of the drug in a living organism to be metabolized or eliminated by a normal biological process. Metabolism is mostly in liver. Excretion from kidney and urine is 70% and in feces 10%. Indications: allergic diseases. Allergic disease in seasonal allergic rhinitis and perennial allergic rhinitis. Seasonal allergic rhinitis, also known as hay fever, is an inflammation condition of upper airways, thus occur in response to exposure of allergens, typically tree, grass, wheat, pollens, in sensitized individuals. And perennial allergic rhinitis symptoms will usually be present throughout the entire year. Symptoms usually confined to the nose, sneezing, watering, and runny nose, nasal blockage, and decreased sense of smell. Hay fever. Hay fever is also known as allergic rhinitis. It is caused by pollen or dust in which the mucous membrane of eyes and nose are inflamed, causing runny nose and watery eyes. Allergic conjunctivitis is a broad group of allergic conditions involving inflammation of conjunctiva, the thin membrane that covers inside of the eyelids and the eye up to the cornea. Itching skin conditions: eczema, atopic dermatitis. Eczema is a medical condition in which patch of the skin become rough and inflamed with blister which cause itching and bleeding. Atopic dermatitis is a type of inflammation of the skin that results itching, red, swollen, and cracked skin. Anogenital pruritus, pruritus in jaundice and diabetes. Dosage 6 to 12 years, 1 tablet once daily or half tablet BD. More than 12 years, tablet 10 mg once daily. The key messages: Rigix is #1 anti-allergic brand in Pakistan. Rigix is effective in seasonal allergic rhinitis and perennial allergic rhinitis, allergic conjunctivitis, eczema, pruritus, in jaundice and diabetes, urticaria, and hay fever. Urticaria is defined as daily itching for at least 6 weeks. Rigix is superior to loratadine in major symptoms like edema, nasal obstruction, and rhinorrhea. Rigix relieves the rhinitis symptoms more effectively and faster than loratadine and placebo. Rigix acts in 20 minutes and its effect lasts for 24 hours. Compared to the majority of other second-generation antihistamines, cetirizine was generally shown to have more favorable pharmacological profile to be well tolerated, be at least equal to or more efficacious in inhibiting the nasal and ocular symptoms, and to improve the quality of life in allergic rhinitis patient. In clinical study, both cetirizine and levocetirizine improve the total symptom score in comparison with placebo group, and the cetirizine appears to be more efficacious than levocetirizine at 8 weeks and 12 weeks. Pregnancy, it belongs to the pregnancy category B. The competitors are Xaratax, that contains cetirizine by GSK, Tday, levocetirizine by Novartis, Castine, that is contains Sebastine by High Noon, Bidal, cetirizine from Bayer's, Fixit, that contains fexofenadine by Getz, Telefast, that contains fexofenadine by Sanofi Aventis, Avel, that is phenyramine by Sanofi Aventis, Soften, contains loratadine by Varic, and Tendrin, that is imastine by Novartis. Thank you.